Yeah, perfect. That's fine. What do you hope to get out of convention?
Just have some fun.
Excited to meet new people, play on the Zorboards, to smash some people. Some of it. Girlfriend?
Meet new people.
Go to Rottnest.
I want to go to Rottnest.
Drive over to my place, back.
Hang out with cool people.
What activities are you excited for?
The ball. I'm excited for the ball.
Battle of the DJs. And get a good tan.
Have fun.
To strengthen my testimony and fill their testimonies.
Feeling the spiritual support of everyone.
Build our testimonies in a spiritual way as well.
Convention's going to be fun, it's going to give us lots of opportunities to socialise together. We also invite you to come and put the effort in and have a great, powerful spiritual experience.